Good evening. So I have a visualization for 1854's John Snow map. So I wrote this code. This is the first time I've ever written anything like this, so this is a very new experience for me. I tried my best for what I've learned and what I've known throughout the class and what I've been tipped by. So this is what I've created. So I created a visualization that's illustrating the amount of deaths that are seen on a map, and the yellow represents all the pumps, and the streets are labeled, and you have a couple places. The notable one is the workhouse, and the other notable one is the brewery. And my intention here is to just make it as simple as possible so that you could see that this is the map. And my plan here was to include the documentation, which I have failed to, or not the documentation, the legend, but I failed to figure out a clean way to do that, and also just not being able to be familiar with this interface, I just did what I could. The purple is supposed to represent the females, and then the turquoise blue is supposed to represent males. Initially, I thought those were the great colors, but after using, and I hope this works, the color simulator, I was not able to see good results. So I was only able to see just a little bit of the blue, and it just all looked like it was just like together. The yellow stood out, but the purple just kind of washed out together with the gray building. So maybe next time I wanted to see if I could like improve on the design and then maybe use different colors. But my original intention here is that I would use like a male button, and then I would show just the colors for males, and then if I would say females, I could do the same thing, and if I unclick this, I would probably remove this and it will go to black, which is their original color. And the age groups would have different ranges of colors. I was thinking of just using one color, saying one color would be the males, or not males, just age groups. As you get older, you get a darker like tint of that same color, maybe blue or another neutral color like green would work here. So and then I created this chart which was supposed to basically like interact with this, and so when I click or interact with this, I would see that not only it highlights the people that died on a particular day, but also has a label on the particular dot, and it'll stay there until I mouse out, which is a great feature. I wanted to include this into another chart which had the prevalence of gender among the age groups, or age groups among the genders, in one graph, that is. And so I would say have like a total here, and then once I click age groups would show up here differently in a different like format, and then it will also be reflected on the map. And then same with females, like if I would just check females, it would be age groups via females. And then if I wanted to do everything, I'd just say age groups, females and males, but it would be a little bit muggy for this map, so it would be kind of useful just to have like a limit. So maybe a few buttons would work for this place, and then the buttons will also activate or act on this chart itself. So I hope this was useful for this video. I really don't know if this is any use for anyone, but this is the first time I've coded anything, so pretty proud. Okay, thank you.